My name is Jordan Prince with Android. I'm here to explain today how you can do report collation using OpsLab by querying across distributed data sets and multiple Excel files, and actually being able to join them into a coherent report. So this is based on this r/Excel Reddit request, where basically the user has a series of folders, and in each folder is a series of files. The folders stand for quarters and the files stand for months, and the months have lists of names and phone numbers. And a quarterly report needs to be generated for each folder that collates all of the names and phone numbers from each file into a single report. And then furthermore, each of those quarterly reports needs to be coalesced into a single annual report. And we can do this in OpsLab fairly easily. So we're going to start by making sure we have OpsLab open, which we do. And I have here my quarterly reports folder. And in it, you'll notice that I have 3 CSV files instead of Excel files. This is because OpsLab only supports CSV at this point, and all you really have to do is resave your file as a CSV file in Excel. So this is the January CSV file open. It's just a set of names and a set of phone numbers. Both February and January have 2 phone numbers, and March has a single phone number. This is just for example's sake. I started these as Excel spreadsheets, and then I did a save as to change the CSV. To get them into OpsLab is not hard. Every OpsLab installation puts an OpsLab folder in your documents folder so that you can start uploading documents. I'm going to need 2 new tables here. I'm going to name one all lowercase, quarter 1, and another all lowercase, quarter 2. Now all I really need to do is drag and drop each file individually into each relevant folder. So I'm going to take February. Actually, I don't want to lose it, so I'm going to copy it. I'm going to go into quarter 1. I'm going to paste that. Grab January, paste that too. As you can see, the files are disappearing. That's because they're actually being uploaded to the cloud as you copy them. Next up, I need to do quarter 2. So I'm going to grab March, and I'm going to upload it. And as you can see, OpsLab just picked it up. So now if we go to OpsLab, we can actually see the files we've uploaded. These are actually in a cloud-backed database now. So the next step is how do we get both of these quarters into 2 quarterly reports and a single annual report. So let's start with quarter 1. So I'm going to create a report, and I'm going to create a new namespace called reports. While doing it, I'm going to name this one quarter 1, and I'm going to do select star from lake.quarter1. And as you can see, it's exactly what we had before, but we probably don't want the name, or we probably don't want the ID or phone number, or we probably just want the name and the phone number. So here's the final report. So I'm going to click Save. So I've just created the first report, and it's just phone and name. And this is your quarter 1 report. I can download this as a spreadsheet, and it will look exactly as you'd expect. Quarter 2 is pretty much the same idea. Reports, quarter 2. I can do select star from quarter 2. Name, phone. Lake.quarter 2. Save that, and now I've got 2 quarterly reports. Now I actually want to combine these to make a final annual report. I'm just going to pretend that I only have 2 quarters in my year. I can go create the annual report by going here, making a new report called annual report, and I can select star from reports.quarter1, and union that with select star from reports.quarter2. If I preview, you can see I have all of my phone numbers now. So I just save, and I've got my annual report, and I can easily download this as a CSV. Problem solved.